Okay, so this is my room. And then out here is the balcony. And then this is the bathroom. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here in Hawaii. It's my 31st birthday. Well, not today, but on Monday. Today's Wednesday. I'm gonna be here for 6 days celebrating my birthday. I'm really glad to be here. I usually don't stay this long, but I'm really glad I'm able to. So I'm just excited to relax. I checked into my room and I'm about to go to the beach to chill. So thanks for watching my channel. Bye. Good morning. I came back here because I really liked the food yesterday, so I'm just waiting for a sandwich. Made it to the beach. I'm gonna go shopping at some local markets at the Ala Moana Shopping Center. Hey, so today is Sunday. I'm going to the beach. It's been 80 degrees the whole time I've been here, which has been really nice, and I'm enjoying myself. Got these from my brother. It's busy today. So I got 3 of these. Good morning, it's my birthday. Today is November 25th. I'm 31 years old, so I'm feeling really happy and blessed. I'm so glad I came here. Today's my last full day here. So I'm just gonna relax, open some birthday cards, get some breakfast, go to the beach again, and just enjoy my day. I got this cute bag.